Binoculars, please. I don't see them anywhere.
You should give them a call.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey.
Hola, it's Alex.
Oh, hey, Alex.
We're doing the seawall. You said you would meet us here. Where are you?
Sorry, I can't make it. I'm out of the province right now. Yeah, we'll have to do it another time.
Okay, fine. Just bring me cheese.
See ya.
Okay, I'm gonna call Liam. He didn't answer. I'm gonna call Javier. I think it's just gonna be us.
Oh, they're watching.